Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to save energy of your PC, or I can say that how to lower your carbon footprint of your Windows PC. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your settings by selecting the Windows plus I button, and after getting on this window you guys will need to find out this option right here called power and battery, and after that just select on this option, and now here you guys can see this energy recommendations option. Now just select on this, and if you want to save most of the energy of your PC, then you need to select on this apply all button, and if you want to select some particular options, then you just need to see the option and then select its apply button, and that's how you guys can save your energy or lower your carbon footprints of your Windows PC. So that's it. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.